afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. It's been a while since I posted the last video that I have. It's just that I got so busy and everything. So today I will try to post some of the videos that I make for today. I will be harvesting some red hot chili pepper, and then I will ferment them into an olive oil. So those olive oil, I could use them on my cooking. If I want some kind of a spicy hot food, then I will add a little bit of oil to my ingredients. And it's a homemade hot oil, or how do you call that, hot chili oil, like a spicy hot oil. And you know, I did it about a few years back already, and it did very well. So okay guys, let's do harvest some of the peppers. They're already, yeah, I've been waiting for these guys to ripen before I harvest them. So this is a good color already, and it's ripe. Okay, let's do harvest them. I might need to take off my gloves because I can hardly take them out from the stem. So here you go. It's almost end of the season, so yeah, so we can just harvest them and preserve it for our later use. Look, so far I have those. I'm here inside already, and then now I will try to show you how to make a olive oil with chili. So okay guys, this is again, this is our ingredients, and this is what we need. So we have extra virgin olive oil. You can use any kind of olive oil that you like, or any kind of oil that you like to have. And then we have the fresh chili pepper that we harvested earlier from the garden, and we have a dried flakes chili, and then we have jar, and then we have the snap leaf that we are going to use it. So those are the only pretty much what you need to make olive oil with chili. All right, let's do it. Let's start it. Okay, now guys, we're gonna make a this pepper, olive oil with fresh pepper. So I'm just gonna take up that top of the pepper like this, separate those top and then the pepper, and then just dump this pepper in here. So we'll do it all like this. So there. So I'm snapping up that crazy thing in there, because all I want is just those red pepper. And then by doing this is you're releasing the heat as well. So those are open, and then the oil will get into it, or the pepper will release the heat to the oil. So there you go. I'm just snapping up those. guys, and then now we will make our chili flakes into our olive oil as well. So this is a 1/4 cup of chili flakes. So we have a jar here, so we will put all the flakes, dry flakes, into our jar. There you go. And then we will just pour the olive oil. So as I said, you can use any kind of oil that you want, but for me, I prefer to use olive oil. I have a extra virgin olive oil right here that I'm using. Okay, so we will go up to the neck of the bottle or the jar, and here it comes. So as you can see, they're nice and full, and then we will put the lid and then snap it up. Put the ring and tight, close it tight. So there you go, and then you just shape it to make the mix to the oil. In a few days you can actually use this already, because I know for sure that those heat from the flakes, from the pepper, will release into the oil, and you can basically use them already. So you can use this whenever you want to feel like eating hot and spicy food. You can always use this. You can use for cooking. You can use for some kind of dip or something like that. So yeah, so there you go. So we have olive oil with chili. It's a hot and spicy. Alright. So I made about 2 jars of the chili flakes, and then I have 1 jar of the regular fresh chili olive oil. So here comes it is. Okay. Alright guys, this is what we did today. We made this olive oil with chili flakes. I got 2 bottles of them, and then of course the fresh red pepper, red chili, and I have a leftover one here. I could put more in here, but I think this is a good enough to spice up the oil. And then we have this the flakes that I use, and I have leftover. So guys, it's nice and easy. It's really easy to make one, and you can always use them for your cooking. And you know, if you want something spicy in your food, you can always use these guys. So it's really easy. You guys can try to make one. It's not bad at all. Yeah, and then you can always have them when you need them. All right, just get it out from your cover, and here it comes. So here you go guys, it's nice and easy. I wish you guys try this. Make one, make for yourself or for your family or relatives, and it's not bad at all. Just try it and make one. If you guys like my video today, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you next time. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.